Good morning, class. We'll do Unit 5 today. Are you ready to start? Great. Look at this first. I'm going to show you the card very quickly, so look very carefully. Zoom. What is it? Did you see that? No? Okay, one more time. Zoom. What is it? It's a lion. That's right. Lion. Lion. Okay, very good. Now look at this. I'm going to show you one more card. Very slowly. What is it? Can you see it? What is it? Yes, it's a king. 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 Listen and repeat, everyone. Jet. King. Lion. Great. Now let's chant together.
Hello, everyone. Let's go. Jet. Jet. King. King. Lion. Lion. Great job!
Look at page 33, everyone. Please repeat after me. Jet. Jacket. Jam. Very good. Let's do it again. Jet. Jacket. Jam. Now, let's do some writing. 1, 2. 1, 2. Can you use your finger to write? 1, 2. 1, 2. Easy, right? Let's do number 1. What is it? It's jam. Okay, let's write it. Jam. Great. Let's try number 2 now. What is it? It's a jacket. Let's write it together. Jacket. Excellent. Now take out your pencil and write in your book. Now let's do some review. Look at page 36. What is it? It's a jet. What is it? It's jam. Can you guess what this is? I'll act it out. What is it? Jacket? That's right. Now I'll get the jacket sticker from the back of the book and I'll put it in my book. All right. Now, which sticker goes here? Yes, J goes there. Okay, let's say it together. Jet. Good job. Jacket. Good job. Jam. Let's chant together, everyone.
Are you ready? Let's chant. Jet. Jacket. Jam. Jet. Jacket. Jam.
King. Key. Kiwi. King. Key. Kiwi.
lion. Lamp. Lemon. Lion. Lamp. Lemon. Awesome!
It's story time. Look at the picture first. What do you see? The king? That's right. What's this? It's a lamp. Yes, the king has a lamp. What's this? It's a key. The king is going to open the box with the key. Look, what does the king have? He has a jet. Great. Now, watch the animation.
What does the king have? The king has a lamp. What does the king have? The king has a key.
Ho ho ho!
What does the king have? The king has a jet.
Huh? Aww.
Do you want to act out the story? Okay, let's try. Now I'm the king. Let me put my crown on. What does the king have? Ooh, the king has a lamp. What does the king have? The king has a key. What does the king have? The king has a jet. Zoom. Now it's your turn. Good morning, class. For today's lesson, we'll read a story. Take out the readers from the back of your book. But before we read the story, let's play a game to review the sounds and the words from Unit 5 to 7. I'll say a sound first. P, p. Then pass the ball. And you say a word with that sound. How about panda? Then say a different sound and pass the ball to another student. Qua, qua. Can you think of a word? Queen? Right. Then say a different sound again. Ah, ah. Octopus? Okay. Now let's do this quickly. Catch the ball. Say the sound or the word and pass the ball quickly. K, k. King. Great. Good job, everyone. Now we can look at our story, the talent show. Before we read our story, let's take a picture walk, okay? So, what do you see in the picture? What is he? King? Right. He's a king. What is she? Queen? Yes, she's a queen. What animals do you see here? A panda? An ostrich? An octopus? Look at the octopus. Is he happy? No, he's not happy. Is he sad? Is he scared? Yes, I think he's scared. What happened? Let's find out. Next page. What's this? It's a piano. The octopus is playing the piano. Okay, so we walked through the story, looking at the pictures. Now let's watch the animation. Here we go.
The talent show.
The king and queen have a question.
What can you do?
Octopus plays the piano. The king and queen dance.
Oh. Oh.
Panda paints a picture. The king and queen pose. And what can you do? Ostrich juggles with melons. Oh!
Whoa.
Uh-oh! The melon is on Ostrich. The king and queen clap.
So did everyone enjoy watching the story animation? Yes? Great. It's a fun story, isn't it? Now, let's read the story together. Please repeat after me. The king and queen have a question. Now, all together. The king and queen have a question. Next page. And what can you do? All together. And what can you do? Ostrich juggles with melons? All together. Ostrich juggles with melons? Right. And the last page. Uh-oh, the melon is on ostrich. All together. Uh-oh, the melon is on ostrich. The king and queen clap. All together. The king and queen clap. Excellent. Did you enjoy the story? Great. Now, let's do a role play. Here's the king and the queen. They say, "What can you do?" "I'm Octopus. I can play the piano." "I'm Panda. I can paint a picture." "I'm Ostrich. I can juggle with melons." Okay, now you can try. Which one do you want? Do you want Panda or Octopus or the Ostrich? Okay, everyone, that's all for today. We'll see you next time, okay? Bye-bye.